Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you all controls for your speaker JBL Grip. So let's get started by controls at the top. Right here we have power button to turn on and turn off your speaker. You need to press one time the power button. Then we have Bluetooth button, and if you want to enter Brink mode, after you turn on your speaker, you need to press one time at the Bluetooth button. You will hear a tone prompt if you enable it, because maybe you have it disabled, and this LED lights start flashing white. Then we have the button for multi-speaker connection. If you have the same speaker, you can create a stereo pair. Then we have right here three buttons. Plus button is to increase the volume, a minus button to lower the volume. Let me play some video. So you can or press one time at the volume up button to increase the volume, or press and hold. And as you can see at this widget, I just increase the volume. To lower the volume, you need to use volume down button. Again, press or press and hold. And here it is. Then between these buttons we have play pause button. If you single press this button, you play or pause the song, the audio, or the movie or the video. So as you can see, I just pause it and now I play it. If you press two times, you will play next track or next video. And if you press three times, you will play previous track or previous video. 1, 2, 3, but I cannot right now show it. No, it worked. Then also with these two controls, we can perform a factory reset. We need to press and hold at the same time play pause button and volume up button for at least 2 seconds. And then you need to reconnect your speaker with the phone. So you need to remove it from the phone and then add it to the phone. If you still don't know how to perform factory reset, you can check video at this channel. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.